Let's talk about procurement fraud. Fraud that targets procure-to-pay processes is one of the 3 most disruptive types of economic crime. Organizations lose an estimated $5 trillion to fraud each year, and 80% of organizations detected fraud attempts in 2023. That's a 15% year-on-year increase since 2022. AP, Treasury, and procurement teams are all prime targets for fraudsters, as are C-suite leaders. Alongside tactics like phishing and malware, common attack types include CFO fraud, or whaling. Fraudsters use stolen data to convincingly impersonate your CFO or other leaders and make emergency requests for ad hoc payments. Invoice fraud, scamming AP and payments teams with fake invoices. These can be hard to spot, especially if you only perform occasional manual payment checks. Supplier fraud. An insider changes supplier master data to either divert funds to other accounts or create entirely fake suppliers. Protecting your business against fraud isn't simple. It requires a 3-way defense that allies your people, processes, and technology. Your people must be aware of fraud risk, trained to recognize it, and work with clear guidelines for handling and reporting suspicious requests. Your processes must be standardized, structured end-to-end to close gaps, and have secure approvals workflows for payments and master data changes. And your technology platforms must enable this by centralizing procure-to-pay processes to overcome silos, integrate workflows, and incorporate automated fraud management approaches. To learn more about fraud and how you can equip your procure-to-pay cycle to stop it, visit Serrala.com today.